Happy MetroTurf MMTCI Friday Racing, May 15, 2026. Meron hinandang 8 races at start time po is 5:30 p.m. Regular Friday Racing Day tayo. Meron isang set ng winner take all, isang set ng pick 6, dalawang set ng pick 5, at isang set ng pick 4. Good luck mga karera outsiders. Let's G! Race number 1. Start ng first pick, 5 covers, races 1 to 5. Philracom rating based handicap system, race class, 5, 17 to 41 split. Distance is 1,200 meters. Meron ditong 8 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 1, Noble Touch. To be ridden by comebacking jockey, J.A. Guse, nakakalamang sa laban. Second choice niya is entry number 6, Escondido. Jockey is J.R. De Ocampo. Buenas daw ang hinete, sabi ni Carrera Outsider. Third choice is entry number 2, H.E. Holly. Jockey is R.A. Bahse. Pangsamang dehado. So dito sa race number 1, first choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 1, Noble Touch. Second choice is entry number 6, Escondido. And third choice is entry number 2, H.E. Holly. Race number 2, start ng winner, take all covers, races 2 to 8. Philracom rating-based handicap system race class, 5, 17 to 41 split. Distance is 1,200 meters. Meron ditong 8 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is si entry number 8, Golden Diet. Jockey is R.A. Bahse. Maganda ang post position, malaki ang panalo. Second choice is entry number 3, Swift Zingy. Jockey is L.F. De Jesus. Baka dito na makapanalo. Third choice is entry number 2, Day New Sun. Jockey is J.M. Estorque. Magbibigay ng magandang laban. So dito sa race number 2, first choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 8, Golden Diet. Second choice is entry number 3, Swift Zingy. And third choice niya is entry number 2, Day New Sun. Race number 3, start ng pick 6 covers races 3 to 8. Philracom rating-based handicap system race class, 442 to 56 split. Distance is 1,200 meters. Merong 8 entries. First choice niya is entry number 8, Precise Move. Rerendahan ni jockey L.F. De Jesus. Baka daw maka back-to-back wins. Second choice is entry number 1, Flywheel. Jockey is C.A. Reyes. Pag nauna daw at walang lumutya, GG na daw. Third choice is entry number 3, Vavavoom. Jockey is J.M. Estorque. Napapanahon na din daw manalo. So dito sa race number 3, first choice niya is entry number 8, Precise Move. Second choice is entry number 1, Flywheel. And third choice is entry number 3, Vavavoom. Race number 4, start ng second pick, 5 covers, races 4 to 8. Philracom rating-based handicap system race class 4, 42 to 56 split. Distance is 1,200 meters. 8 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 2, Agent Romanov. Jockey is JT Pabilik. Kursunada lang daw ni Carrera Outsider. Second choice is entry number 7, Golden Opportunity. Jockey is C.S. Pare Jr. Baka ito na daw ang pagkakataon. Third choice is entry number 4, Stripe of Pink. Jockey is J.D. Huko. Malaki din daw ang panalo, hindi din pwedeng hindi isama. So dito sa race number 4, ang mga kursunada ni Carrera Outsider. First choice niya is entry number 2, Agent Romanov. Second choice is entry number 7, Golden Opportunity. And third choice niya is entry number 4, Stripe of Pink. Race number 5, start ng pick 4 covers, races 5 to 8. Philracom rating-based handicap system race class, 5:17 to 41 split. Distance is 1,200 meters. Meron ditong 8 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 8, Tenacity. Jockey is J. Mestorque. Pag maganda daw ang gising, malaki ang panalo. Second choice is entry number 4, Streisand. Jockey is G.L. Ciego Jr. Eto rin daw kapag hindi puyat, malaki din daw ang panalo. Third choice is entry number 6, Giselle's Princess. Jockey is J.C. De La Cruz. Magbibigay din daw ng magandang laban. So dito sa race number 5, ang mga pili naman ni Carrera Outsider dito. First choice niya is entry number 8, Tenacity. Second choice naman is entry number 4, Streisand. And third choice niya is entry number 6, Giselle's Princess. Race number 6, last extra double at Daily Double plus 1, Covas races 6 to 8. Philracom rating-based handicap system, race class, 5:17 to 41 split. Distance is 1,200 meters. Meron ditong 8 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 1, Anyare. Jockey is Daniel Camaniero. Ang sabi lang ni Carrera Outsider, what happened? Second choice is entry number 5, Ruti. Jockey is Eminem Gonzalez. May panalo daw. Third choice is entry number 7, Great Angie. Jockey is JD Huko. Baka maka-Grand Slam daw ang hinete. So dito sa race number 6, first choice niya is entry number 1, Anyare. Second choice is entry number 5, Ruti. And third choice is entry number 7, Great Angie. Race number 7, penultimate race, Philracom rating-based handicap system race class, 5:17 to 41 split. Distance is 1,200 meters. Meron ulit ditong 8 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 5, Live Like an Angel. Jockey is AP Peñaflor. Pag hindi nagka-aberya, malaki daw ang panalo. Second choice is entry number 2, Street Magic. Jockey is LF De Jesus. Baka daw makachamba. Third choice is entry number 1, Call is a Roll. Jockey is JL Santiago. Kursunadang dehado daw ni Carrera Outsider. So dito sa race number 7, ang mga kursunada ni Carrera Outsider. First choice niya dito is entry number 5, Live Like an Angel. Second choice is entry number 2, Street Magic. And third choice niya is entry number 1, Call is a Roll. Race number 8, last and final race. Philracom rating-based handicap system race class, 4:42 to 56 split. Distance is 1,200 meters. Meron ditong 8 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 8, Runway 10. Jockey is AP Peñaflor. Malaki ang panalo. Second choice is entry number 3, Sweet the Money. Jockey is AR Villegas. Magbibigay ng magandang laban. Third choice is entry number 5, Lady Sabine. Jockey is CM Pil Lahpil, pangdehadong kursunada. So dito sa race number 8, ang mga kursunada at napupusuan ni Carrera Outsider. First choice niya dito is entry number 8, Runway 10. Second choice is entry number 3, Sweet the Money. And third choice is entry number 5, Lady Sabine.